Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of authentication failed on the application of Flow. Authentication failed on the application of Clue. You will go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Clue app and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching.